Shut up. I got the control. All right, Mr. President, you're at bat. Time to sell them the people some cool shades. Follow the script, please. In 4, 3, 2, and 1.
My fellow Americans, I'm adequately medicated to thank you for today's interruption of Major League Baseball. We all know that in troubled times like these troubling times, that nothing should interfere with our uninterrupted enjoyment of America's cherished pastime, football, baseball. But that darn stinking doofus has done riled up all my feathers. And my mother's too. You know what I mean? Look, here's the deal. That orange-faced menace is dangerous. His name shall be blotted out of the book of names, and of him we shall never cease to natter. I'm talking about Donald J. Trump. That patriot faker plutocratic pun dummy just unleashed his latest assault on the Constitution and the comic books code. TrueWorld, copyright Trump Inc. 2024, powered by Ray's band FaceHugger Smart Shades. These abominations will steal your soul and condemn you to an eternity of a Trumpian hellscape. Your lips forever suture you to the God King's ass, human centipede style. They will suck the marketplace free of ideas, hot brand your brain with propaganda so hard. And hot that Joseph Goebbels is popping a tent in his unmarked grave. They will matrix you so sequel-proof you're going to wish you were a battery. Batteries never had it so bad, so good, so bad. Imagine a world where the only news you hear is Trump talking about Trump, selling you Trump things. Believe me, it's worse than watching Sharknado at a senior home. Well, it's a problem. Thankfully, this kerfuffle happened when I was ostensibly in power. You know me, Joe Biden, President of the United States, trademark, and you know that I represent the absoluteness of demographic party normalcy. Normality? Normality. In my America, where no problem can be solved by blowing $1 trillion that we don't got. Can't be solved. No problem can't be solved by spending $3 trillion out of your granddaughter's piggy bank Ponzi scheme. It's an unreal solution to a real problem. So I got on the blower to good old Elon Musk, who, as you don't know, is a secret fifth columnist crypto demon cat. Democrat, or whatever our brand name may be now in the 1990s. Thankfully, good old Elon, an ersatz American, was not too busy to take my call. Colonizing Mars, saving the Earth, burrowing under casinos, and wiring the limb challenge to ping-pong pachinko machines keeps any cyborg villain plenty busy, believe you me. Elon said he'd be disgusted to help, so I'm glad to announce. The game just untied, by the way. So let Elon Musk tell you all about what.
Cut to Techno King in Texas.
Tweet it and weep. I just sold half a Tesla 9/7 of SolarCity, and as a tax nullifit to the non-participating, non-profiteering general public, party bonus myself and my cat 50 billion Martian dollars. Suck it. The rest, at Uncle Joe's whiny swiny insistence, I plowed into Krush coins, anti-bit matter activists, loosely pooled out at the sweat force somewhere west of Asia America. These overseas temp slaves cobbled together a complete clone of the band Ray's FaceHuggers and pirated the IP into something we may call CoolShades. These are definitely not super cheap knockoffs of Trump's FaceHuggers. They're made out of spare Tesla parts and non-flammable solar cell panels and held together with yesterday's promises. But hey, they get the job done. The race is doomed to do their math homework, exploit the code with random nans and invert enough global variables that we were able to contain our zeal, conceal our laughter, and squeal with an egomaniac's orgasmic joy when we made our claim inside a closed squirt that this is a totally new product. No, really, I'm serious. See? I'm not smiling while I say this. We were rushed on the design. I wanted a cyberpunky design, more face-cutting, like something my nephew would finger paint for his out-of-network therapist, but old Joe kept calling. So we just ripped off classic World War II AV-to frames that I invented in 1949 while still in the womb. Don't thank me, I thank myself. The cautionary lemmings over at OpenAI, unless they wanted to see me in squirt. Court shook loose a few billion of NVIDIA's nano. And the warriors, the lawyers sign off on a CoolShades trademark that no one should laugh at.
Techno King's off script again. Maybe Celtic can do better. Mr. President, please stick to the script. Cut back to Celtic in the Oval Office.
Never remember and don't forget the most important feature in CoolShades everything is always can either cool or normal. Those men stealing or repossessing your furniture? Cool or normal? Whoever said you wanted furniture anyway? What Fourth Amendment? That body with sperm having nasal sex with that body pre with and post without in an In-N-Out Whataburger? Cool or normal? Or if you're squeamish, set the sex filter to 0 and only your nose will know it's even happening. A wheelbarrow of cheese to buy one slice of dollars? Cool or normal thanks to CoolShades. So own nothing and be happy. These reality warping beauties can also be set to no fires for California folk. They're not underwater for those still afloat down under in the Conch Republic. And since your CoolShades will borrow monthly credit from Great Niece's discredit union in the future of your choice, debiting your universal basic outcome, you'll barely be aware as your CoolShades rule you in your world. And any world that we can allow you to imagine. You already bought 2 yesterday, so order yours today. CoolShades, wear them one time only, and you will trudge to your grave, never smell your Republican, unless you unchecked your cross-checked upgrade to nose plugs. All upgrades are at the low, low cost of a little bitty biggie vig that will have us breaking your knees next Tuesday, if any.
We're losing him. Let's wrap it up and bring in Pioneer.
That's against all protocol.
I'm in control, gosh darn it. We will bring in Pioneer and we will make it work.
Even my wife is telling me I gotta go. Somewheres, I don't know. So good luck with all of that, and remember me fondly as a career hack Democrat who somehow managed to do whatever they told me to do, whoever's been. Where's the ice cream?